Supreme quality, designed, engineered and assembled in USA to guarantee water safety and your health. This 75 GPD 6-stage system ROES-PH75 is guaranteed to remove up to 99% of contaminants such as chlorine, taste, odor, VOCs, as well as toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, nitrates, heavy metals and 1,000 plus contaminants. Max total dissolved solids, 2,000 parts per million. Feed water pressure 40 to 85 pounds per square inch. US-made cartridge uses food-grade calcium from trusted source for safe, proven water pH enhancement. Enjoy ultra-pure drinking water with added calcium minerals for improved alkalinity and great taste. WQA certified system. Premium long-lasting filters used to treat tap/well water. Provide unlimited clean drinking water. America's #1 rated water filter brand with 20 years of success guaranteeing trouble-free, noise-free system for long-lasting, dependable, pure drinking water. 2-year extended manufacturer warranty with registration. System comes with all parts and industry's best instructions and videos for an easy DIY experience. Top reviews from the United States. Most life-changing device we've ever bought. Where I live, the water is heavily chlorinated. There are also loads of chemicals, including Phs and pKas, which we're now learning are forever chemicals that stay in your body indefinitely. In our quest to find eco-friendly, better-tasting water, we've been driving to the grocery store to use their RO machine, filling dozens of gallon jugs, and paying 49 cents per gallon. We realized that if we drink a gallon a day, we'd spend $178.75 per year on water, not including time, effort, and fuel. Assuming we replace stages 1 to 3 and 6 yearly, and stages 4 to 5 every 4 years, as recommended by APEC, the reverse osmosis system pays for itself in year 2. Over the course of 20 years, the RO system costs less than half the grocery store water. Again, this doesn't account for the time, effort, and fuel spent getting water from the grocery store. The RO system is so much more convenient, and the water tastes much better. Buying this system is a win any way you look at it.